Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove watermark only from last page in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to remove watermark from the last page in this document. Go to the second page. Then go to Layout menu, click Breaks drop down menu. Then choose Continuous. Then go to the third page and apply this same process. Then go back the Insert menu, click Header option, then choose Blank Header. Then click Link to Previous. Then click the watermark text and delete it. Then select the type text, header and delete. Then close the header and footer. Now we can see we remove watermark only from last page in Microsoft Word very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.